Good morning. Happy 2023.
Good morning.
First trip of the year. Good morning.
That's why that card's excused.
We're here at Disneyland. Very excited. We're going to the park now. Get our bags checked. But yeah, join me along. So we had this massive ordeal. We were stressed, but now we're inside and we're going to Space Mountain. Ugh. The wait times are pretty good right now. Tomorrowland. It looks so much open now.
So done.
We meet again. Oh, not again. Ooh, that's fun. Is it? Okie dokie.
Oh, she hollowed. Oh, they should make like cream-filled beignets, but then that would be like an atrocity, I feel.
I think they did this before.
Really?
Yeah, where they like filled it up with something.
Oh, like a sweet cream? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, we should get that.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry. She went flying. Oh. We're moving. Oh, no, we're not.
Hold on to my bag. Let's go.
Look, we're on Tom Sawyer Island. This is really cool. The big reveal. So this is my first time on Tom Sawyer Island. It's really cool. So like that's the main park. And then we took a raft onto this area. I didn't even know this place existed. It's really cool though. Look at that tree. Wow. Ooh, let me go down here. It's okay, there's no one here. But Look how cool this is. So, the Mark Twain usually like goes around here. And the other boat, I forgot what it's called. But this is really cool. Look at this path. And then I don't know where this leads. Oh. It's like a cute little like scenic thing to explore, yeah. Yeah. Ooh, look at this bridge. Okay, we're gonna go on it. Oh, 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 oh. What's Sam doing? Okay, me too. There's more to explore. Ooh, let me show you the Mark Twain. Look at that. Let's see. Another bridge. Don't rock or sway bridge. So it says you must rock and sway.
Oh, yeah, that's how you do it. Go, Jada.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Oh, 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 oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. 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 Jesus Christ. Sam. He got told off.
Oh, I heard him calling it.
I think because I screamed. Ooh, ooh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's slippery.
Oh. I don't know if you saw that. Ooh. That's a tight squeeze. Whoa. This is very claustrophobic.
This is scary down here. It's very scary.
Careful.
Look here.
Don't get lost. I don't think we're meant to be here. Oh, hello, child.
Yes, no. This we can.
Be careful.
Oh my god. I don't want to go there.
Why are we in here? Hold on.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't think. Be careful.
Sorry.
I'm scared I'm gonna hit my head. Oh. How is this? Okay, we're out. Jesus.
Oh my god, this one.
This boat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Since I'm here resting, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I don't think I've showed you guys yet. But we have, it's kind of hot. The sun is out now. But I have this little furry jacket. I have my Disney shirt from when I came here last time, wearing it today. And then I have this thing. It's Sully, a cutie cuff. You can get these at Target, by the way. But they're very hard to find. This was the last Sully, and then they only had like Olaf and something else, but I didn't want to get that. And then I have my Bagoo bag. And then I have these Gap trousers, like a khaki pant in like dark blue gray. It's really cool. I love the width of it and the way it lays on my shoes. But yeah, that's outfit. But yeah, like I said earlier, so this is like the path that the Mark Twain ship or boat usually goes through, and then this red boat too. It's like a whole route. And then this is the island that we're on, and friends. And then we just took a raft from like the main park where like, no, you're good, where like Haunted Mansion is. And then we took a little boat ride to beep, 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 or somewhere. And then this is the island.
I honestly did not know this place existed. I've never been here ever.
Same.
Me too. Those look more like barriers.
No.
Yeah.
Have you white in your
No. Wait, it really doesn't just that many people eating here.
Uh-oh. Nope.
When it's time for him to do the settlement, just sit on one of you guys.
Nice.
Whoever's going to be with the stroller.
Maybe 50, 60 people and still alive. Alrighty, it's lunchtime. So I'm finally gonna try these. So we got the pork belly and beef, which I got from Bengal Barbecue. It's right across from Indiana Jones. Yeah, so let's try it. Wait, ooh. Cheers. There's like a subtle hit of spice, but it's really good. Okay. And it's very soft too.
Nice and like juicy.
Yeah. It's good.
All right.
Okay, let me try the pork belly.
I could. Like when you opened it, I see it, but like I don't know.
I think I prefer the beef.
Really?
But it's kind of expensive though. Just for the pork belly was $7.99.
Okay.
And then
That size though.
the beef is $6.99.
Okay.
But I'm saying it's like you only get two pieces. You only get two pieces. Oh, you got a lot of pickles.
Here's the baggie.
I don't have a picture.
Here at Goofy's Kitchen. And then I also got I'm gonna try this. I've never tried rum. I got the ultimate Long Island iced tea. Okay. We'll try that out. What is dinner? Ready? Uh-huh. Cheers. So, rum, vodka, iced tea.
That's good. He said, uh-oh.
It does taste like juice.
That's really
Not
good.
bad.
Oh my. She was the distraction.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Samantha. Happy birthday.